Chicken Whisperer again. Look, I just got done feeding my chickens about a scoop and a quarter of my mixture. They're going nuts for it, but they're also going nuts for the 5 gallons I give them of chickweed. And I watered them again. That's overflowing with water. But, you know, I really think they were more interested in the chickweed when I put it in here. I'm still looking for that elusive golden egg. Could it be up here in these boxes? Oh, I gotta clean out those boxes. Ugh. Could it be in these boxes? And I gotta clean out these boxes. And make another roost for them to jump up on there. And make another roost for them to jump on this one. See? I got a roost there. Boy, that was easy to do. All what I did was find a stick out in the yard. I put a screw right in there, and one right down there. And look, it's pretty sturdy. Well, I'm going to be trying to post every day. Every day, I'm pretty sure they're going to be looking for the chickweed. I'm going to be giving chickweed just as long as it's out there. But my landlord said the chickweed only grows when it's cool weather. It's about to warm up over here. I really do think they grew from last night. They got enough water, but I'm gonna fill it up in the next 2 days, cause they go through probably a gallon and a half of water every day. I just filled it up with 3 gallons of water. It's filled to the top. I'm sure glad there's no varmints trying to get in here. My Fort Knox is working out good. Now I just gotta secure the chicken run outside. That's gonna be a bear. Well, my 7 chickens downstairs, 5 Aracanas and 2 light Bantams. They were 2 weeks old as of yesterday. Oh, and I got more eggs incubating. Well, boy, they're destroying that chickweed. I only gave them about a cup and a half, well, a scoop and a half of that, of the mix. They're already about gone. I wish I would have never spent money on getting a little waterer, because this water right here is the best. Well, I suppose you could get away with a 3-gallon waterer like that, but With all these birds, I'm gonna need a 5-gallon one. It's something like $32.99 at Tractor Supply. Okay. Subscribe to my channel, please. Hit the notification bell, and peace out.